This is one pot chicken tetrazzini. I've already cooked and deboned a chicken, and I've got my chicken cut into bite-sized pieces along with the chicken broth that congealed in the refrigerator overnight. You could also use a store-bought rotisserie chicken along with store-bought broth or chicken stock for this recipe. We need to heat a stock pot over medium-high heat, and then we'll add 3 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons olive oil. We're going to saute the onion and the celery. Once they're done, we'll remove them from the pot and return the pot to the heat. Bring 2 quarts of chicken broth or chicken stock to a boil. If you don't have homemade, use store-bought broth or stock. You can use 2 quarts broth or 1 quart broth and 1 quart water. Add your salt, and when it boils, add your pasta. Now we're only going to cook this for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, cover the pot and turn your heat off. Allow your pasta to remain covered on the burner for about 6 to 8 minutes, soaking up the broth. Check your pasta for doneness, and when it's ready, put 1/4 cup water in a 1 cup measuring cup and add your cornstarch, whisk it well, and add it to the pot. Add your pepper, your parmesan, and your chicken and veggies. And there you have it, a one-pot meal that's easy, quick, healthy, and delicious. You can add chopped fresh parsley if you choose. And please subscribe for more great gluten-free recipes.